Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your e-mobility app to get faster charger availability. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your e-mobility app on your device. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Navigate to the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Look for the updates or check for updates option. Tap on it to search for the latest version of the app. If an update is available, a prompt will appear. Select the option to download and install the update. Wait for the download to complete. Once the installation finishes, reopen the app. Sign in to your account if prompted. Go to the main dashboard of the app. Locate the section for charger availability. Refresh the data by pulling down the screen. This will provide you with the most current information on charger availability. Explore any newly added features that enhance the user experience. Review the updated maps or lists for faster charger locations. If necessary, customize your preferences in the settings. Ensure notifications are turned on to receive real-time updates. Now you are ready to find chargers more efficiently with your updated app. Enjoy seamless e-mobility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.